Javon back in the kitchen, and we got exactly what you're missing. So just stay tuned, cause we're gonna make it do what it do, just for you. Today we're gonna be making Rasta Pasta. So first, we gotta rinse the chicken, and then we gotta season the chicken in a bowl with jerk seasoning, parsley, Old Bay, all of that there. You know it's gonna taste good. You gotta rinse the chicken off a little bit. I like to get the fat off. Nice little piece of chicken breast. That's all the women want in their check. You gotta cut it right. You need a good blade so that just go through like it's supposed to. Old Bay. You don't play when it comes to that Old Bay, cause the Old Bay gonna make sure your hair don't turn gray. Oh yeah, the jerk sauce. You know, you got some jerk sauce, you know you're a boss. If they add jerk sauce, you just gotta pay what it costs. Minced garlic. Just like that, you got some seasoned chicken. Step 2, we have to slice the bell peppers into thin slices. Then we have to chop the garlic cloves and the green onions. Step 3, we have to coat the pot with olive oil and then saute the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes. And after that, we have to set the chicken aside and we have to season the bell peppers and cook the bell peppers as well. Step 4. After letting the bell peppers cook for 5 to 7 minutes, you have to pour heavy whipping cream into the pot with a little bit more season just so that the sauce is just right. Step 5. After the sauce has gotten to a slight boil, you want to add all the cheeses. Step 6. In a medium-sized pot, you want to bring the water to a boil, and then you want to put in the pasta and a pinch of Himalayan salt. Step 7. After you've cooked the pasta to your liking, drain the water and then add garlic, salt, and butter. And then you're going to put the pasta in the saute pan with the rest of the ingredients, and you're going to mix it thoroughly and put a top on. Step 8. Let the pasta simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. And then it's time to grab a bite. But before you get the bite, you gotta get right. Get your little glass of wine so that you start feeling fine.